Welcome back. Now we will proceed with the installation of the base system. So first of all, we're going to check the mirrors file. So packages to be installed must be downloaded from mirror servers, which are defined in -etc-pacman.d-mirror list. On the live system, after connecting to the internet, Reflector updates the mirror list by choosing 20 most recently synchronized HTTPS mirrors and sorting them by download rate. The higher a mirror is placed in the list, the more priority is given when downloading a package. You may want to inspect the file to see if it's satisfactory. If it's not, edit the file accordingly and move the geographically closest mirror to the top of the list. Although other criteria should be taken into account. This file will later be copied to the new system by Backstrap, so it's worth getting right. We're going to check the file. So we're going to type beam dash etc dash pacman.d dash mirror list. So we can see that the file was generated with list of mirrors. So we will leave this as is. We are checking this just to show how we can get to this file, and we can also edit this. So now we're going to exit. We can proceed to install the essential packages using the packstrap script to install the base package, Linux kernel, and firmware for common hardware. So we're going to type packstrap dash capital K slash mnt base Linux dash firmware. So we're going to hit enter. Okay, now all the files will be installed. So we just have to wait until the installation is finished. So the installation was successful, but we have to take into account that the base package does not include all tools from the live installation. So installing more packages may be necessary for a full functional base system. So this was the installation of the base system. See ya on the next video. Bye.